Good morning, student. Myself S.P. Kelkar, math teacher from Dhanprakash Vidya Mandir, Aurangabad. Today we are going to study the financial planning chapter. Now, in this chapter, today we are going to start the brokerage and taxes on share trading. Share brokers. We buy or sell the shares through the registered members or organization agency of the stock market. These members are called share brokers. Brokerage. The amount charged by brokers is called a brokerage. Buying price of one share or buying price of per share equal to market value plus brokerage. Selling price per share equal to market value minus brokerage. GST on brokerage service. Share brokers provide a service for a purchase and sale of shares for their clients. These services are charged under GST. The rate of GST is 18% on a brokerage. Mutual fund MF. Mutual fund is a professionally managed investment scheme usually run by an AMC. Mutual fund MF. Mutual fund is a professionally managed investment scheme usually run by an AMC, asset management company. AMC means asset management company. The market value of a unit is called NAV. NAV means net asset value. The total fund value equal to NAV of one unit into number of units. Total fund value equal to NAV means net asset value of one unit into number of units. Systematic investment plan means SIP. Invest a small amount of regular interval. Systematic investment plan means SIP. Invest small amounts at a particular regular intervals in a mutual funds. This type of investment is called SIP. Systematic investment plan means SIP. Invest a small amounts at a regular intervals in a mutual funds. This type of investment is called SIP. Means in this investment we can invest the 1000 per month in mutual fund. In this way we invest a small amount regularly per month and you can continue it 5 years, 6 years, 10 years. Then we see the one of the example. Srimati Desai sold shares of a face value rupees 100 when he market value was rupees 50 and received rupees 4988 rupees 20 paisa. She paid a brokerage 0.2% and GST on a brokerage is 18%. Then how many shares did she sell? Now in this example, Srimati Desai sold shares of a face value rupees 100. At the time of the face value of share is 100, but he sold the share At that time, market value of that share is 50 rupees only. Now, again he paid a brokerage 0.2% and GST on the brokerage is 18%. Now, in solution, brokerage per share equal to rate of brokerage into market value of that share. Firstly, find out the brokerage per share. So market value is 50, brokerage rate is 0.2 divided by 100 into 50, we get here 0.10. GST rate is 18% on brokerage, then GST on brokerage equal to rate of GST into brokerage of the one share. Then 18 divided by 100 into 0.10. The product of these two is we get 0.018. Then sum of these two. So the selling price of one share. This is the brokerage on one share 0.10. GST on brokerage is 0.018. Then selling price of one share equal to market value minus these two quantity. Then market value is 50 minus sum of these two. We get here 0.118. 50 minus 0.118, we get here 49.882. In this way, we find out the selling price of the one share. Then the Srimati Desai sold X shares. The amount received by Srimati Desai equal to the selling price into number of share, means selling price of X share. Then she got a money 4,988.20 equal to number of share is X into selling price of one share is 49.882. Then X equal to this 49.882 goes to the left side and divide to this 4,988.20. Then see in this division, in a numerator after decimal there are 2 digits, and denominator after decimal there are 3 digits. Then we take 1 0 on this 20 and remove this decimal point. Then we get the quantity like this and divide this, we get here 100 shares. Srimati Desai sold 100 shares. In this way we find out the number of shares which the Desai get the 100 share, sold the 100 share and get the money 4,988.20. See the another example 2. Market value of share is 200 rupees. If the brokerage rate is 0.3%, then find the purchase value of the share. See the market value of share is already given. Brokerage rate is given. Find the purchase value. Solution: market value is 200 rupees, brokerage is 0.3%. Then find the brokerage per share equal to rate of brokerage into market value. Rate of brokerage is 0.3 divided by 100 into number of into market value is 200 rupees. Product of these two we get here 0.60. Now the purchase value of share equal to market value plus brokerage. The market value is 200 rupees plus brokerage 0.60 equal to 200.60. The purchase value of the share is rupees 260 paisa, means 200.60. In this way we solve the second example also. These examples are from exercise 4.4. Then you can solve the other example. Good day, goodbye, okay.